Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Gmail not receiving emails. Quick fix step by step clearly. First, check your internet connection and make sure Gmail is loading without errors. Refresh Gmail in your browser. Or fully close and reopen the Gmail app on your phone. Look at the spam folder and open it to see if the missing email was filtered there. If you find the email in spam, mark it as not spam to train Gmail for the future. Open the All Mail folder to ensure the message is not archived instead of missing. Use the Gmail search bar and type the sender's email address to locate the message. Check the trash folder in case the email was deleted by mistake. Verify you are signed in to the correct Google account if you use multiple accounts. On mobile, swipe down to sync and make sure your inbox is updating. Go to Gmail settings and open the Filters and Blocked Addresses section. Remove or edit any filter that says deleted, skip the inbox, or mark as read. Open the Forwarding and POP/IMAP tab and confirm emails are not being forwarded away. If forwarding is enabled and you do not need it, turn it off and save changes. Check your inbox tabs like Primary, Social, and Promotions for the missing email. Open Settings and confirm your inbox type is not hiding important messages. Check your Gmail storage by opening Google Drive storage and see if it is full. If storage is full, delete large files or emails and empty the trash to free space. Ask the sender to confirm they used the correct email address and did not get a bounce message. If the sender got a bounce, ask them to resend after correcting the address or attachment size. Disable any third-party email apps or extensions that might be managing Gmail messages. If you use an email client like Outlook or Apple Mail, verify IMAP is enabled in Gmail settings. In the Gmail app, open Settings and ensure Sync Gmail is turned on for your account. On Android, check System Settings for data saver or background restrictions that block sync. On iPhone, allow background app refresh for Gmail so new emails can arrive. Clear the Gmail app cache on Android, or reinstall the app if the issue continues. Try opening Gmail in an incognito window to rule out browser extension problems. If it works in incognito, disable extensions one by one to find the conflict. As a final check, visit Google Workspace status to see if there is a Gmail outage in your region. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.